Welcome to my channel. How to set up your Plusnet Hub 2 router. Unbox the Plusnet Hub 2 router and ensure all components are present, including the router, power adapter, Ethernet cable, and microfilter. Place the router in a central location in your home, ideally near the main phone socket, and away from large metal objects or other devices that might interfere with the signal. Use the supplied broadband cable to connect the DSL port on your Plusnet Hub 2 to the microfilter or broadband socket. Plug the power adapter into the router and connect it to a power outlet. Press the power button and wait for the router to power on. The lights on the router will start blinking. Wait for the broadband light to turn solid blue, which indicates that the router has successfully connected to the Plusnet network. This process may take a few minutes. On your smartphone, tablet, or computer, go to the Wi-Fi settings and find the default Wi-Fi network name, SSID, which is printed on the router's label or quick start guide. Connect using the default password. Once connected to the router, open a web browser on your device and visit any website to check if the internet connection is active. This confirms that your setup was successful. If you want to change the default Wi-Fi name and password, go to 192.168.1.254 in your browser. Log in using the default admin credentials, usually printed on the router, and customize the Wi-Fi settings under the wireless section. Test your connection by running a speed test or streaming content. If everything is working as expected, your Plusnet Hub 2 router is set up and ready for use. Thank you for watching.